Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 8.0 Oreo system for Chevrolet TrailBlazer S-10 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, here is the box. Let me unbox review. Okay, this is a special head unit. Okay, let me introduce honey set first. You can check this special harness for Chevrolet S-10. It's AUX input. Okay, this special ISO harness. Okay. The head unit will come with GPS antenna, remote controller, external microphone. Okay, this is camera input, camera cable. Okay, two USB cable with external microphone. Okay, this video input and AUX input. This is audio cable, subwoofer. This is video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this is audio output left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me introduce head units. Okay, you can check. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, you can check this special head unit for Chevrolet. Okay, you can check this SD card, two SD card, home button, nav button, back, DVD player, this volume power volume, this built-in microphone, IR, this reset hole. Okay, let me check. You can check. Please move the two screw before installing. Okay, you can check back of head unit. This radio antenna, this connectors, Wi-Fi antenna, GPS antenna port, this fuse, this power fuse. Okay, this back. Okay, let me power on with 12 voltage. Voltage. Okay, header unit will be start. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay. You can check its US interface. Okay. Fast response, octa-core, PX5 processor. Let me check the settings, system, about machine. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay, let me back the home. Okay. We check settings. You can change this button color. This button color with red, you can change green, blue, and any button color you can adjust this panel. Okay. It's built in Google Play Store, Google Maps. It's mirror link, easy connection for mirror your phone screen on display this header unit screen. Support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Next video I will show functions for this header unit. Okay, thank you.